So welcome all. Today I'm going to show you how to use Foxy Proxy. Foxy Proxy is an extension which we have, I guess, almost in all web browsers. It helps us out between switching from various Foxy services. For example, if you are using Burpsuite, so we can directly select it from our browser. We don't need to go to the Burpsuite every time or click on the intercept. So how to do that? Just go to Google or whatever search engine you prefer. Uh, I'm writing on Google here, and then search for Foxy Proxy uh, for Firefox, because I'm using Firefox as a browser. We have many things here. Standard one, we have a basic one. Both of them are free. I will choose the standard one. Click on the standard. Click on add to the Firefox. Sorry for that, all these things are coming in the German because I have changed my keyboard language as a German. If you want to see and if you want to know how to change the language to any other language in your keyboard, you can watch the video which I will be putting in the link above. Uh, for this, now let's go back to our topic of Foxy Proxy. So you can see the extension which we have added is now showing here. Click on this and click on the options. Once you click on the options, click on add and create a title. I will write down Burpsuite. This is again optional, but it's always better to name it something. And then you can also choose a color if you want to choose. For me, green is good enough. And here you need to give the DNS name and proxy IP address. This is actually the IP address which you have in your Burpsuite. Let's go to the Burpsuite first. So I did not open it. I'm going to write Burpsuite here in the bar, and Burpsuite now starting uh, opening, and click on next, start Burpsuite, and it's doing its job, and now this is opened. So what we need to do, we need to go to the proxy, and under the proxy we need to click on the options, and in the options you need to see if we have the same setting, whatever setting we have it in there. If there's no setting, sometimes it is not there, you can also add it, and by adding it you can just choose this particular your local host IP address plus 8080. So here give the localhost IP address which we just now saw in the Burpsuite and the port which we saw in the Burpsuite. In some cases it could be 8081, then give 8081 and save. So we have saved it now. The other thing what we need to do, test it first. So just do this thing here. We can see that now it's showing Burpsuite Community Edition. So that means our Burpsuite is working fine now. The other thing what we need to do is we need to add our CA certificate, Burpsuite certificate to our browser. So click on the CA certificate, and then it will download the CA certificate for you. I have already did that. My CA certificate is located under the download folder. So you will be either seeing the downloads folder or any other folder, but if you click on this thing, it will take you to the location where it is downloaded. Yeah. Okay. So once you have downloaded the CA certificate, you need to go to the browser settings. So for me, it's age. So here, clicking on the settings. In the settings bar, click on the privacy and security. If you don't have the same privacy and security, or if you are using any other browser, you can also search directly by the certificate here on the top, and then it will come. Uh, you can also go to the privacy and security, and in the security part down here, uh, in the security part, we have certificate. Click on the view certificate, and in the view certificate you can import the certificate. So just click on the import certificate. It will, if you are in the home folder or any other folder, just go back to the location where your certificate which you have just downloaded is located. Click on the certificate, click on open, and OK. So it says the certificate is already installed as a certificate authority. Doesn't matter because I have already done that in the past. Need to do that, and once everything is all right, once everything is working, it should show you under the port trigger. So let's go to the port trigger. So we have port trigger certificate here. So then the certificate is located here. Okay. So far what we did, we have downloaded the certificate, we have created a Foxy Proxy, and now time for testing. So for example, we open any website, news.com. I don't know about this website, but yeah, it's going to CNET, good enough. Uh, First of all, we need to select a proxy. So we say, okay, we want to choose the proxy Burpsuite, and then again click on the website, tag money, whatever you want to do. And now the request should directly go to our Burpsuite. So we are going back to the Burpsuite under the target. Uh, okay, OnePlus.com. I know the OnePlus.com could be our location, I guess. But if you see here, cnet.com, the cnet website which we have opened is directly being intercepted here, and here we have lots of other, GET requests from the cnet. So in that way, if you don't want to do that, and if you don't want to insert it anymore, you can just turn off, go here, and if you go to any other website, but let's go to the editors. And if you go to our Burpsuite, we don't see this request. If you change it again from the Foxy Proxy to Burpsuite, then this request will be directly going there. I hope this will be helpful for you, and you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and let me know if you have any questions in the future. Thanks a lot for watching.